Hey, man, one thing for sure, too, we got to stop making death sound cool, man. You know what I'm saying? All that, when a motherfucker get killed, oh, bro went out like a gangster. Boy, bro went out like a gangster. Man, you think whoever you talking about went out like a gangster, you think they kids want to hear that shit, man? When they want to spend some time with their daddy and they can't spend no time with their daddy no more. When they want to call their daddy and talk to their daddy and they can't talk to their daddy no more. Think them kids want to hear that shit? Talking about their daddy went out like a gangster? We gotta stop, man, with that, man. Making death sound so cool. This shit don't need to be sounding cool to these youngsters, man.